Good morning. Very, very happy good morning. This is Monday, action day, right? So let us talk and discuss something about our own life and your life. But it is in the books, again, The Secret, and I am sharing it continuously with you. And I am going to read few lines and share with you. This is your life, and it's been waiting for you to discover it. ये जिंदगी आपका है, आपको में and आपके लिए रुका हुआ है to discover the walking. You have to walk to discover through your mind, digging deep. सब कुछ है आपको जिंदगी में. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो what it had said, अगर डिस्कवर करना है up till now. Up until now, you may have been thinking that life is hard and struggle. अभी तक अगर सोच रहे हो कि हमारा जिंदगी में क्यों अच्छा से नहीं चल रहा है, why it is so hard, and that is stated here that you are attracting that hard thing in your life by the law of attraction. आप ही अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो. Your thought is manifestation. You are manifesting. You are creating through your thought, and that thought by the law of the attraction, आपने उसको attract कर रहे हो. You are attracting that hard life, hard thing because you are thinking. So what we do not change our thinking, change our affirmation. So that struggle is going to disappear if you change your thinking. आप बदल देंगे. What is that? Here it is stated. Begin right now to shout to the universe. Shout. You demand what? Change your affirmation and demand. And you say, I deserve it. What is that? Life is so easy. Life is so good. All good things comes to me. You attract. We are all attracting. We are pulling. Instead of pushing, we are pulling. We are magnet people. If you don't recognize, don't approve that you can attract whatever you want. That's why it's called ask. Ask, you will receive. Seek, you will find. Knock, it will open to you. Only those who seek shall find. You desire. You deserve all good things life has to offer. सब कुछ जितना अच्छा चीज है आप पा सकते हो. You are the creator of your life, and the law of attractions is your magnificent tools to create whatever you want in your life. You have to believe it. Welcome to the magic of life. Welcome to the magic of life and the magnificence of you. Everything is within you. Only you need to discover by learning how you can attract by thought process. The thoughts. Thought is the things now at your hand. Try to understand. Read this book. Only verbalize. Change your word. The word is spoken word. Whatever you say, that is the standard. That is our life we are creating. Creative process first. Step 1, ask. The first steps to ask. Make comments to the universe. Let the universe know what you want. The universe responds your thought. Ask. Then believe. Believe that you are going to get it. You deserve it. By doing what you need to do. करना पड़ेगा. Then आपको believe आएंगे. Believing is the unseen. You must believe that you have received. And that's gratitude. You have to feel it. Yes, it's already in my hands. Only आपको unlock करना है. It's in a treasure. The universe will start to rearrange. The universe will start to rearrange itself to make it happen for you. You don't know, you don't need to know how. It will be shown to you, you will attract the way. Ask and believe, right? Then step 3, receive. Receive it, present, right now, through your process. Okay, how? Begin to feel wonderful about it. Feel the way you will feel once it arrives. Feel it now, and in this process, it's important to feel good, to be happy, because when you are feeling good, you are putting yourselves in the frequency of what you want. Wow! Are you excited? The life is at your hand. Think, thought process, change it. That's paradigm shift. Change your thinking, change your habit. Do whatever you need to do with whatever you have in your hands. Pay the price. Price man, you do it. Face it. Everything is at your hand. Only you need to asking. Right question, right answer. Ask, you will receive. And you need to believe that you deserve it because you have purpose. You must have some purpose, the plan. And everything, we need to learn something. To knowing oneself is important. Then you can know people because we are connected with the people. Always be excited to meet with people. How you will communicate, learn it. All available in the books. Books, CD. आप अगर पढ़ नहीं सकते हो, सुनिए कम से कम. बाद में पढ़ लेंगे आप. But start it. जो भी कर सकते हो. Never ever think, आप कभी भी ये में नहीं कर सकते हो, ये नहीं. Don't say that. You are attracting more trouble. Happy रहिए. We are so fortunate at our hand. We have Amway business and the Brit Worldwide University of Success, and you be a student. Nothing. आगे का जो भी है, it's not going to work. Maybe you are educated, it's good. Maybe you are highly, successful as a profession, maybe, but still there are lots of things we deserve. Why? Because why I deserve the best? Because I want to give to the people the best of the best. That's the purpose. You have a purpose to help people, to do good thing, something good to the others. The God is there, the universe will help you out, right? If you don't need to think yourself, you just feel happy and the giving attitude all the time. Give. What you can give, that's the number one. You give smile, transfer some good thought and to the people. I am a dream merchant. You just give and sell yourselves with the dream, with the hope, with the love. So the plan to the people is number one thing. How you can connect that, you have to learn. That is the stumbling block. You have to cross that. जो बाधा है आपको लोगों से मिलने के लिए, वो बाधा आसान नहीं है. Nothing is easy if you don't learn. And everything is learnable and doable. आप अगर सोचते हो I can learn anything, learn anything. It's possible. Do you think it's possible? Going through every day, every moment with a positive vibration, reading books, listening CD, and talking with people in a vibrant frequency, spiritual mood, right? The all material things is going to be available in your life. Thank you very much, friends. See you again.